Samsung has confirmed that its latest batch of phones and mid-range tablets will reach the US UU as of September 14. The new participant in the Galaxy A range of mid-range but very nice-looking Samsung will be available with Sprint. Is the A6 Plus also arriving? It is not clear. The largest device is available in Europe, but Samsung has not mentioned a release date in the US UU. The Wi-Fi-only version of the 10.5-inch Galaxy Tab A will be in stores that include Amazon and Walmart on the same date, while the LTE version will come to Sprint and Verizon sometime later this year. And, after the launch with the operators in early June, the Galaxy J3 and J7 will be available from day 14. Galaxy A6, 5.6-inch OLED screen. Front and rear cameras of 16 megapixels with open f/1.7 in the back. 3000 mAh battery. 1.6 GHz octa-core processor with 3 GB of RAM. Facial recognition and fingerprint sensor. Android 8 Oreo. Sale price of $359.99. Galaxy J3 and J7. J3 has 5-inch HD screen, 5-megapixel front camera and 8-megapixel rear camera. J7 has a 5.5-inch screen, a 13-megapixel front and rear camera. More specifications still unknown. $169.99 for J3. $249.99 for the J7. Galaxy Tab A 10.5-inch, 1610 WUXGA screen, quadruple speakers enhanced with Dolby Atmos. 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and 3 GB of RAM. Internal storage of 32 GB, expandable up to 400 GB. 7300 mAh battery. Android 8.1. Sales price of $329.99.